Here we go. If I showed up for a quiz and the quiz was to fill in the unit circle, angles, cosines, sines, and tangents, I'm going to show you in this video how to do 3 of those 4 things. The angles, the cosines, and the sines. Tangents will be dealt with in another video. All right? Here we go. The angles, first of all, hopefully aren't too bad. It starts with 0 degrees. It goes up by 30 to get to here. 15 more to get halfway to 45. 15 more to get 2/3 of the way from 0 to 90. And then 90 is straight up north. Then you got 120. Add 15, 135. Add 15, 150. Add 30. You should make it to 180. And that should make sense because here you have sort of a flat line. And from your geometry days, you know that that's 180, right? It's called a straight angle. Then you go down here to add 30 to get to 210. 15 more should get you to 225. Whoa, 225. And then 15 more should get you to 240. And by the time you add 30 more, you should be straight down to the south at 270. Everything needs to come together here in quadrant 4. 300, 315, 330, and adding 30 more should get you to 360, which is also in the same location as 0 degrees. So those are the angles, and you're, a fourth of the way there with your angles, sines, cosines, sines, and tangents. In blue, I'm going to show you the cosines and the sines for the 4 main stops. 1, 0, 0, 1, left 1, up 0, left, right 0, down -1, and then back at 1, 0. So I would probably put those 4 in. Those are also good reminders of where things are positive and where things are negative. So over here to the right, you have 1, 0. Everything's going to be positive up there. When you look over here to the left, you notice that the x's are negative over here, so make sure your cosines are negative. Anything below the x-axis, your sines should be negative. All right, here we go. Here's what I would do next. I'll do these in black ink. These parentheses and commas, I think, are already there for you on the test. Everything should be over 2. Everything in the middle here should be over 2. So let's take a minute to fill those in. I'm going to pause the video so you don't have to watch me write over 2 many more times. Okay, now that everything is over 2 for all the angles in between 0 and 90, you want to follow this pattern. 3, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3. So we go 3, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3. All the 3's and 2's should get square roots. Notice that the square roots are only in the numerator. It's the square root of 3 over 2. It's the square root of 2 over 2. Do not put the square root around the whole thing. That's incorrect. Okay? Now that all the x's are shown, 3, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, the y's simply do the opposite. The sines, 1, 2, 3, 3, 2, 1. And as you're drawing it, maybe you think about the fact that as I'm saying 1, 2, 3, those numbers are increasing. It should make sense because my y distance from the axis is increasing as I travel around the circle there. And as I come back around to home base here, those y's are going to go 3, 2, 1. The lengths of those blue lines are getting smaller. 3, 2, 1. All the 2's and 3's get square roots again. And when I make it around to back to 360, we're going to finish the project here by thinking about where things should be negative. Between 90 and 270, anything over here, the x's should all be negative because we are to the left of 0. Anything below the x-axis down here the y's should be negative. So negative, negative over here in quadrant 3, positive comma negative over here in quadrant 4. That concludes how to complete the unit circle. Tangents up next.